Now, Europe is facing an energy crisis and fears are mounting that the continent could actually be looking at a pretty tough winter ahead, as the Russian energy supplier Gazprom has now extended the stoppage of gas supply through the Nord Stream 1 pipeline. The Gazprom has said that the supplies will be halted indefinitely due to an oil leak, and the resumption of the gas supplies is not expected to happen in any given time frame in the near future. The move has come just hours after the G7 nations agreed to impose a price cap on Russian oil. So how does a price cap actually work? Now, Russian oil will be purchased at a discount from the existing market prices. However, they'll keep the price above the cost of production as an incentive for export. The discounted rates will also see regular revisions. And interestingly, there has never been an attempt to impose differentiated oil price in a country. Now, for the price cap to work, Russia will also have to yield to the pressure and continue exporting to the participating nations. Now, it is important to note that the Russians have kept gas supplies to Europe flowing, even at the height of the Cold War. In comparison, the pipeline has now been shut down twice since the beginning of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Meanwhile, the European Union Economy Commissioner has said that they expect Russia to respect the energy contract. He's also said that the EU is prepared if Russia decides to completely halt gas supplies.
Putin farà un passo ulteriore nel taglio delle forniture, sarebbe una violazione dei contratti, quindi tutti ci auguriamo che non accada. Se accadesse è chiaro che ci sarebbero delle conseguenze, ma è altrettanto chiaro che noi da mesi ci stiamo preparando a questo rischio, quindi non dobbiamo sottovalutarlo, ma certamente non dobbiamo neanche farci intimidire.
Now, on the other hand, Sweden has said that it will provide billions of dollars worth of liquidity guarantees to the Nordic and to the Baltic energy companies. Swedish Prime Minister has warned that the country is in fact facing the prospect of a quote-unquote war winter. She said that the exact details of the guarantees remain to be worked out. She's also said that Russia's energy war threatens Sweden's financial stability. Now, the Swedish Parliament has been called in from its summer break to hold a vote on the government's proposal on Monday. Now, for more on this, Investec oil and gas analyst Nathan Piper joined us and shared his insights into the energy war that is playing out between Russia and Europe, isn't it?
It's a further step in the economic war against Europe. So Russia was a reliable supplier of energy up until last year. And even through the Cold War, they supplied gas to Germany. But as part of the invasion into Ukraine, they've continued to restrict gas supplies to Europe. And this is just the final twist in a bit of an end game, really, going into winter, where they've severely restricted gas even further with a shutdown of Nord Stream 1. We're at prices which are 10 to 15 times the 10-year average. So these are prices that are causing severe demand destruction across the whole of Europe. So we're seeing major bits of industry shutting down now because they can't afford to buy gas and make whatever they make, whether it's steel or fertilizer or glass. So we're already seeing industry shutting down, which is reducing demand, but not in the way that I don't think people intend it to.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.